Welcome back to an episode of We still have to kind of figure out how to make more of those red research thingamajiggies. What are they actually called? Automation science packs. It's a science pack, it's not just some fluid. But right, interesting symbol though. So now the idea is to not make it too perfect all the time. 80% is enough as always. So in order to make that work, I'm gonna... Actually, I need to move this maybe a little bit further to the side. That's the thing. I just want to grab all of that and move it sideways instead of building all of that at once. Like it would be... What is that mode all about? I just want to move things. That would be so much nicer. Whatever. Anyway, we need more of that red research stuff. So that means we also need more gears, and the gears are coming in from over here, I would say. So yeah, this is where the gears come on, and this is where the red research is going to be made. And then I also need... Where's this stuff? Yeah, let's make a few more of those. Now... Oh no, I need more inserters. Bam. So let's see. This thing is gonna insert it this way, then this way, and this one has actually not enough space in between, so let's place it over here. Actually, this one, I think you can also place it slightly to the side of it. Nice. Right, then let's place that one over here. Time to... Oh no, that's not necessary. And yeah, we need more gears, obviously. Then, of course, for the gears, we need the red science pack. There we go. And it still is not connected. Why? Suddenly it's in a dead spot. That's just great. So let's place that one maybe... Actually, no. I think I have to just move this one a little further to the side here, so that it is similar to all of the other ones. And also I need to place that all the way in here. You gotta be kidding me. It does not have the right connections. There we go, now it should work. Right? I hope so. And that one is full of everything. Yeah, because I haven't selected anything else. So, now, back to the whole automation thingy. I mean, we need the automation. We also need an awful lot of other stuff. What about that? More flexible ways to distribute energy. How is that supposed to be done? Big electricity pole, medium electricity pole. It basically just means more wires and more complicated things, I would say. Electric energy accumulators. Okay. Excess electricity energy for later. That's good. Okay, and then there's a space science pack, and this is what we need in order to continue our journey into orbit. Wait a minute. Space science pack. Worker robot speed. Oh, yes. But how do I go further down into the silo chain? Oh, wait. The silo doesn't even need it. That's very interesting. But maybe you, in order to craft this thing, the rocket, you need to craft stuff somewhere down here also. Who knows? Yeah, we need to go down this this chain right here. This one needs, of course... That's weird. Wait a minute. That's really weird. Like, look at this. Oh no, wait a minute. This one is the precursor to that. So I can't make this if I don't have that one upgraded. So let's just go for this thing and research it. And with a bit of luck, it works. This one has no copper. Oh. Yeah, wait a minute. This one needs more copper. Where does it get its copper from, though? That's the thing. It needs more copper, and I only have one copper source, which is this one here, and it gets turned into wiring. So in this case, I need a different way to get that copper over there. How am I gonna do that? I could, like, get the copper out of these things and distribute it, like, manually and stuff like that. But I wouldn't really say that this is a nice way of doing it, because at some point I will actually end up with no resources whatsoever. And okay, that one is full. That one is all... Ah, okay. The production doesn't continue because of that stuff. Too bad I can't have multiple research projects running at the same time in just one. That's a wee bit weird. I mean, I want to have multi research. Maybe can you have multiple research thingies running? That would be sweet. Because I have multiple research thingies, so start research. No, it just skips the whole process. So let's resume that one. Too bad, too bad, too bad. All right. Anyway, so the material is coming in, and that one is going that way, and there is also, yeah, a little bit of that coming over here. Wait a minute. I'm gonna make it so that it comes through here and is gonna be turned downwards, and it fuses with this one down here. And then I'm gonna take another long inserter like that one. There we go. And this one long inserts from all the way up here. And it grabs that stuff, of course. Only thing I need now is, of course, another normal inserter. Like that one up here. Actually, let's make a few more of those. Right. So, there we go. And this normal inserter takes stuff out of here into here, and now it runs again. Perfect. Perfect, 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 perfect. Actually, I should have done this another way around. So the copper belt goes upwards to the left and then downwards. So I still have this one up here. But to be honest, I'm not quite happy about how this one is all wired up. But alright. So we got the logistics. Let's go and get better logistics, some engines, some automations. What else we got? Advanced material processing, faster and more flexible furnaces. Yes. Let's take that one. Can you like... What happens if you right click something? Can you immediately select it and continue that? That would be neat. So we got splitters, I think. And splitters are... Oh, that's cool. So they go both ways. They can even split a line, or they can combine a line. That's nice. Is used to split, combine, or balance belts. Incoming items are split equally if there is free space in both outputs, or routed to whatever output is free. Marked as red. Then we have this, an underground belt. It's used to allow a belt to cross entities or impassable terrain. Nice. But how does the whole underground system work? I actually have to test this out by making one myself. So steel chests, they have 48 storage in there, but I would say that maybe you don't even need that much. Underground belt. Let's just make for 5. Okay. I don't know if it's an underground belt that still has to go somehow about, or if it's just some kind of an entry towards an underground thing, and you just select an input and an output for the belt. That would be nice. So everything else is automated. It's just the input and output that gets selected. But alright, so where do we have the underground stuff? Color. Nah, that's not working. Underground belt. Let's see how this works. Oh, interesting. So you can... Okay, so it's meant to be used in order to really just bypass impassable terrain. So it goes down and then up again, but it does not go any longer than that. But was there a secondary underground thing like this one here? Faster and more flexible ways of transportation. What's this? Fast underground belts. Fast belts again, and fast splitters. So this is the whole thing just on steroids, but it doesn't go any other way though. So, okay, I actually have to check what happened. Yeah, I don't know what happens here. Let's make a few of those. Right, okay. Wait a minute, what kind of resource do you need? 10 iron plates and 5 transporters. 5 transporters, and the distance is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Roughly. So this one gets turned in, and then... Yeah, this one comes out over here. And this one has no connection at the moment. So, that means I have to test something right now. How do I... No, right-clicking takes it away. I need to, like, wire it. Let's see, it goes up here. And at one point it should actually end up over there. There we go. It bunches up over there. Good. That's a nice way to crisscross stuff. That makes things a little bit easier right now. Okay, I can crisscross things. Very nice, very nice, very nice. Okay, that means I can have a production line come in, but then it can just crisscross a small section. It can't just crisscross a larger section. That would have been much nicer. But at least I can shrink some stuff down. Anyway. So the whole science stuff is going strong-ish. Wait a minute. Why is that one not going? It is going. It's just not producing fast enough. It's not producing fast enough. Alright. That one's also not producing fast enough because there's gear missing. No. Has enough gear. That one is not going in because that one is... okay. So, let's just rotate it around. And let the whole thing be... shuffled around. So that at one point it will really be congested. Hopefully. Yeah, it's still going strong. Still going strong. And that one can be taken out. Right. Only problem is it only takes out the green ones and not the red ones. That's the weird bit. In this case, what I need is maybe a fast... Yeah, let's go with fast inserters for this stuff. Just to make it more quicker. So, that one goes up here. We don't need the normal one. We don't need that one. That one. Okay. That one goes up. I can't reach. Oh, come on. The can't reach thing is the one thing that annoys me the most. So, the faster we move things about, the better. So, there we go. That's, and there we go. Wait a minute. That one goes to the right, also to the right. Now. Okay. That's perfect. Does this thing actually consume a certain amount? Maximum consumption 64. 13. Okay, it's like 3 times as much actually. That's not cool. Depending on the amount that gets moved about. So if I have too many of them, then I may not be able to power all of my electricity needs. So let's look at that. Power output is definitely not enough, so I need more steam. Right. Production. I need another steam engine, like 1, 2, 3 or something like that. And this thing has to be moved sideways a little bit. Okay. So, yeah, it has to be moved sideways a little bit. And this belt over here goes over there. And this one goes maybe up here. Right. Got it. So, need more steam. There's something there. That's me in the way. And then this one is going down here. Can I, like... Yeah, I can only connect it up here, though. But it doesn't have enough reach, which is a bit iffy. Really iffy. So, in this case, what we are gonna do is like... Oh, out of reach again. Alright, now it's good. So, then I need some boilers to make that work. Boiler here, boiler there, and it needs normal inserters for that. This one is gonna insert like this, and this one is gonna insert like that. I think I have to move this one a little bit sideways. I mean, that was a bit weird. Yeah, this one should be always on the right side or the left side. So it's symmetrical all the time at least. There we go. On the So, on the right side, there we go. I want it symmetric. Or not symmetric, I want it crystalline. That's what I need. So, now what about that? Consumption 4 point something. Then we have again another 30 whatever. Power output is still fairly low, which is not good. So what's going on? Maybe I could try to combine the whole thing with pipes and so on. Where were the other pipes that I got? Don't I have more pipes somewhere? Can't find them. Can't find the other pipes. Ew! There are pipes in here. I know it. They just look a certain way that I kind of forgot about. Maybe I just used all of them? Nah. Oh yeah, I used all of them for the machinery. That's why. That is why. Okay, so that one goes up here and then down there. And then... Oh! It actually produces stuff. Okay, so can I maybe get another one of those? Water 100% out of 100%. 0 out of 1. Nothing. I think there are certain restrictions on the power output of those thingies. If I get rid of this thing, what happens? 160 something. 190? 200? 300? Okay. In this case, I just made sure that an additional energy need is met. Nothing else. I still have enough power to make all of that work. There we go. Advanced material processing device. No, not working. It needs both of that. It's kind of stuck right now because it cannot accumulate both of these resources at once. It just gets flicked about. So what's going on with this? Okay, how do I limit stuff? Module, speed module, productivity, efficiency, and so on and so forth. How do you limit? Or maybe I, instead of a fast one, I need a filtering inserter. Let's see. So, filter inserter, how is that one done? Let's place one right here. Maybe click on that. So, whitelist, blacklist. So, whitelist, blacklist. We can put items on there, but in this case, blueprint. No. And blacklisted are the red ones. That means only the greens are getting moved around. But I want a certain amount of them to be moved or something like that. That would be really nice. Okay, so the filtering inserter is a very nice, cool way of making sure that everything gets, or at least some items get moved about, but what I want is to actually adjust the amount of units that can be moved around. Okay, or maybe what happens is I bunch them up the wrong way. So what I mean by this is I have to bunch them up to the left, not to the right. So the source is coming from one side and then it trickles down through and then it ends up there. So maybe what I need to do is rotate all of it so that it bunches up at the top left portion. So something like that. Something like that, something like that, that, and that. And something like this, and something like that. Okay. Now there's just one issue. The red stuff is not coming from one source, so what I need to do is move this once to the side, make a belt, so that it has one entrance point at least. And once it comes from over here, then everything's fine. Same goes for this one, by the way. That's the iffy bit. I really have to move all of this once, upwards. Actually, once upwards and once to the left. That should be the right thing. Ay, 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 ay. Okay, one's upwards and one's to the left. But now at least this stuff works. Great. Yeah, one's upwards and one's to the left. So let's go with this and that. Let's get rid of this. One's upwards and one's to the left. And like that. And there we go. And like that. So, but now I kind of broke my whole energy supply thingy. Need to make sure that this is still going strong. Right. So that one is going to be placed over here. That one is going to be taken away. And this one is going to be taken, this one, and this one. All, of course, with the inserters. Yeah, let's just build the whole thing in new. Come on. And like this, like this, like this. It gets better and better and better. But yeah, we just focus on the research and get the research done. So we basically get ourselves the goal first, and then we facilitate the rest. Okay, so let's just let the whole thing get produced. See what happens. Right. No, we're not going to take anything out of here. We also get rid of the whole... No, the grid system can stay the way it is right now, except for this grid part here. That's a bit weird. So that one can be plucked down here. Right. Then I'm going to place all of the remaining ones up here. So one's to the side, and one's to the side, and one's up here, and one's down here, and one's down here. One's down here. Then we take this one, and this one. And we connect it all with electricity first. Then we're gonna go for the... Actually, I don't need the fast inserters right now. I just need the normal inserters and everything is fine. Right, normal inserters. Everything is supposed to go to the left. And upwards. This one goes down here. This one goes up here, up here, up here, up here, up here, up here. Up here. Then we need a singular entrance point, which is this dome right there. Or actually, it would be much better to just collect it in a chest, and from that chest we're gonna facilitate everything with a fast inserter or something. That means I need again belt systems. This one here that just collects all of the materials that we need. And in this case, it's going to move them upwards. And then, wait a minute. Yeah, it's going to move it upwards slightly. This thing is going to be moved like that. This one is going to be moved like so and like so. All of the stuff is bunching up again. And of course, everything needs power to be fueled. So, oh wait. There we go. Much better. So. Right, now that's working. There's just this one issue. How am I going to get that in there? Okay. In this case, I need to turn this down. Down. Oh, come on. Like that, like that, like that, like that, and like... that and like that. Okay, that's working. Then we're gonna get go and place a chest up here, and from that chest, wait a minute, it needs to be inserted like, yeah, fast inserter, of course. So fast inserter goes like this, and then a normal inserter inserts things in a chest, which is over here. Or actually, no, a fast inserter inserts things in a chest. Bam. And then the chest is up here, and the belt is coming up this way. We're going to take that. Now we just need, of course, the power to power the whole thing. That's going to be powered like that. Damn it, I placed something down there. Iron ore? No. Didn't I? I thought I just placed something on the ground there, but yeah, let's just get some wood away. There, see that? It's really annoying. Accidentally throwing things on the ground and then you miss out the... There it is. I just want an item magnet. That would be nice. Anyway, look at that. That's perfect. Actually, didn't I say something about a fast inserter? I made a fast inserter. I always mix this stuff up. So, and because at one point there will be an awful lot of items. So, because, yeah, it can happen that the research will be... we'll just have an awful lot of items accumulating, right? And that means that it stops placing any more additional research material in here. Then it needs to bunch up over here, right? And then I'm basically going to start another research thingy. Then it uses up all of this, and then it has to fill up everything again. This is why I have this fast two of those, so that there's always enough material, and then all of this material is getting used up again. So that is perfect. Now we have ourselves a research machine. Right. Can I have like a favorite or something, so that I don't need to click on this again? That would be nice. Like unavailable. Yeah, of course it's unavailable, but anyway, let's go for that one and start research. Oh, wait a minute. Let's just cancel that for now. What happens if I go for double right click, or just a normal right click? Definitely seems to work. Now the whole thing gets facilitated. Nice. But this one does not have enough of the research material. Let's just fill it with things. Now we're good. Okay. And that one here is not going to produce enough anymore, which means we need a second one of those. And this one needs belts and some other stuff. Yeah. And as I said, I don't want to make it too perfect. We just need to focus on getting it done, right? This is how you basically power through all of this. Don't make it too perfect. And while we do this, we actually create something that may be considered perfect in a way. Okay, what about the pollution levels, by the way? Productivity stats. Pollution. It goes up. It stays this way, but it goes up and up and up and up and up and up and up. That is not good. Okay, all of them are getting met. It's the green ones that are liking at the moment. Yeah, it's the green ones that are liking. Right. Let's just build another one that works similar to this thing. So that means we have to split that up a little bit. Wait a minute. That one gets split into... Yeah, we need an inserter like that. That one gets split into this thing. And this one needs electrical components, of course. And these need something like that. And now let's just turn this down again. It gets placed up here. Yeah, how am I gonna move this in there now? I need the gears and everything. It has to go like forwards to the right. And yeah, I think I now know how I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna place something like this up here, and then I'm gonna make it go like so. Now I have a two-way insertion line. Ah, that's perfect. So, and this is going to produce similar thingies. And this is in need of... Oh, the electrical components. Totally forgot about that. Electrical components. This can produce electrical components again. And this is the splitter. Huh. Yeah, that could help. That could help. Electrical components. And then there's the green stuff. Anyway, this is the other green stuff that I need. So this one gets the inserter. And then it needs, of course, another belt. The belt is not getting facilitated at the moment. This will be the belt, I would say. So that's the belt. It needs iron and gears. Yeah, and iron and gears need to be placed in a very, very strange manner. Yeah, we really need a splitter for that. Have I made a splitter yet? Not yet. Let's make one. Let's... Okay. Maybe I should only make one at a time, right? And not 5 of them. That's definitely not cool. Definitely not cool. Because now it takes a little while. How long? 9.2 seconds. Per thing. Yeah. And then it basically makes all of them at once at the end. How am I going to do that? Okay, wait a minute. Let's just forget about that for a moment. And move this up. Just use free space and keep it easier to see and not so convoluted. So we don't shrink the production process. We're just going to expand. So what I could do is just copy the layout of this one once to the left, and then everything's fine, right? Yeah, or I could mirror the whole thing. I could mirror the whole thing. That means this one is going to get destroyed. Then the other electrical component thing. Oh, that's not it. Yeah, I could mirror the whole thing. That means this one is going to be placed in here. There's nothing on top of that. But on top of that, there's definitely something. Then there's something here and something there. Right. This thing will produce the electrical components, and this one will produce the belts. On top of the belts are the green research components, and on top of that thing is, of course, the inserter. Right. Nah. I just need to kind of power the whole thing and hope that it works. Only thing I need to do is mirror everything, and then it works. That's the gist of it. So... And in order to make that work, I can just... Oh, yeah, wait a minute. I could just move this sideways. The whole gears and everything. And yeah, that would just work. That's actually quite nice. So, let's get rid of that, and rid of that, and rid of that. Now it works. Perfect. So, let's get a this inserter over here. Then... Yeah, that could work. That one gets over here. That one's needed over there. That one is moved over here. Not into the belt thingy though. So something is moved in here. Right. Only thing I need to do is to extend the copper line a little bit. Get myself the long inserter in here. Long insert into the... Wait a minute. This is where the copper is going. Alright. Copper's going in here. Then it goes up there. And it goes through the side. The belt needs... yeah. This is where I need to manage the iron a little bit. So now I really need a splitter. So, splitter. How does that work? I think I have to adjust it a wee bit. In this case, small electric pole is in... Yeah, okay, let's get rid of the pole then. Place that thing up here. Now it basically produces 2 outputs. And this output has to be remodeled a little bit. And now everything's fine. Oh, nice. Exactly what I wanted. Sweet. So, now I just need a normal inserter in here to insert it into this thing. And a normal inserter in here to insert it into that thing. Get, of course, the wiring going. And now everything should work, kind of. Now there's just one problem. Everything seems to hinge on that component right up here. And it definitely needs one more. So what does it need? It needs iron, which comes up here. And it produces gears, which are coming out down there. Nice, 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 nice. Gears that are coming out over there. Wait a minute. That one has enough gears, right? So this one can power 2 building... Yeah, building thingies. So that means I need not an inserter, but also an exerter. so that the whole thing is getting shifted. Right. And I have always gears coming in and gears coming out. Right. Ah, so sweet. Let's save that. Oh, okay. Just in case. Now, what about the logistics part? Why is that not working? There's green stuff missing because it's not getting placed on the right belts. Yeah. Oh, that thing is automatic. That's cool. Oh, that is cool. Come on, let's get rid of that tree. There we go. And let's place that over here. Right. So, time to power the whole thing. That thing goes up here, and that's usually where it needs to be. Right. Everything seems to hinge on this little intercrossing here. I don't want that. So let's maybe place this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. Still, same we just moved it a little bit to the side. It would be better to have like... oh, God, this cannot reach thing is just annoying me. Really annoying. I just want to build things every time. Not cool. Whatever. Now we got a good stuff of that. Right. What do I need in order to make future things? A bit more metal, by the way. So let's see. A bit more metal. 1000. That's a bit much. Where do we place the metal then? Let's make this a metal chest. That should do it. And maybe even some of these. It's an iron and copper chest. There we go. Then there's like stuff in there too. Okay, that should do it. And then there's probably nothing in there because this is where it usually stops. Alright. The coal. What am I gonna do with the coal? But I think the main issue right here is not that you need to fiddle with the coal. It's the problem that the coal is needed for the furnace. I need an electric furnace, and then these problems will just stop there. For the electric furnace, I need a wee bit more, and there's still not enough green stuff coming out of it. Why not? What's the problem? It's not getting produced fast enough. See that? There's one, and then there's another one. The resources are there in abundance, so that means I can facilitate 2 of those, I would say. Same with this one here, yeah. I can facilitate 2 of these green production lines at the same time. How am I going to do that though? How am I going to do that though? How am I going to do that? One way would be to just put all of the items on one belt and let the automation systems just pick out whatever they need. Because right now they're just bunching up on the all of those buildings. That's not what I want. Definitely not what I want. Yeah, I need more green up here, so that that means I need to produce more green. In order to produce more green, I need to get the resources from this thing into a, actually, yeah, into a chest or something like that. And this one is not going to take out anything. In order to get them into a chest, I need to make an interesting run around here, really. How am I gonna do that? I don't have a 90-degree inserter, that's so annoying. Okay, I can take stuff out of here, and then down, and then to the left. Same with this one here. Then I could try to crisscross the whole thing. But it doesn't seem to be the right solution, really. Again, I should try to solve it in this manner here, where it just accumulates in one of those chests all the time. Yeah, that's enough. It just needs to accumulate. Okay, how am I gonna do that? How am I gonna do that? This stuff is also doing this thing. Transport belts are taken out, sure. Transport belts are taken out. This thing, this thing, this thing. So, now everything is moving again, as it should. Right. Still, not a nice idea. Not a nice idea. Maybe I could try to do it. Try it with a different solution. Maybe I could try a different solution, but how? This thing here is going up. Ah, come on, I need to get this out of here. But how do I get it out and not destroy all of my setup? Because that's something that I don't like to do. Building the new setup again. Right, I could try to take the item out to the left with a long exerter or whatever. Yeah, that could work. Put it to the side. Or I could try to... Wait a minute. This line here is needed on this one and on this one. How am I going to make that work? Okay, let's just try to build that then. We're going to build the exerter that takes out this stuff. Then we are going to take that and let it go down here. Right. And then it goes down here and to the left. So now comes the nifty part. It goes like that. So... that is so horrible. Let's hope that it actually works. I don't see the objects. Oh yeah, that's this stopping part right here. Like this is where the actual issue is. Like this one goes on the ground. It has to come up at some other point. So I have to connect it somehow. This is definitely not what I want. Okay. Let's take this one away and this one away. It goes down like that, and it's... Where's the other point? That's not it. Now it's coming out again. And this is too far. This would work. So let's try that one then. Build this thing over here. And this one could maybe move a little to the side or something. Maybe upwards or whatever. Yeah, upwards would be a good way. So let's place this up over here so everything still gets powered. And now we got ourselves those arms. Nice. Alright. So the arms are coming from here. And then there's these amounts of arms also kind of not getting taken out of there, which is not good. So that means I have to get the turn a little bit further out like so, like that, and take this one and this one, so I can have an inserter in there. There we go. This one places it all the way back in here. Now all of the arms are accumulating. Perfect. And from here, I could try to drive another one of those research thingies. Yeah, the research thingies could definitely be worked out here. Okay. And then I also need, as I said, this other thingy up here that takes out the belts onto the line as well. It's an iffy bit. It's a makeshift one, but it works. Ish. In a way. So now to accumulate... Wait a minute. Now it accumulates. We need to make it like so, like so. That one goes away. That one goes down. Now the inserter inserts everything up here. And this thing is supposed to insert that stuff up here. Right. And for some reason it still has power, which is great. And this thing is going to make ourselves a little bit more of the research stuff. Perfect. We just... Yeah, it takes a little while, because for some reason it cannot do it fast enough, and it fills everything immediately. That's really iffy. So what we need here is again another inserter, exerter situation. Something like that, that places it in a... or that gets it from a box or something like that. And there we go. Now everything can accumulate. But that takes a little while. So we are going to accumulate everything with fast inserters like that. That's definitely much better. So this thing is going to tick upwards. At one point, it will have the belts in it. There we go. There we go, it's accumulating it. Perfect. Now, only other thing that I need to do is take all of the belts out of it then. Why is there no iron in here? Where's the problem? Where's the iron going? It was supposed to accumulate up here, then it goes in here, then in here. Ah, there's not enough iron getting produced, that's why. Yeah, there's not enough iron produced by ass. There's enough iron. So in this case I could try to buffer iron and this in a chest, I would say, and then just put it on there or something like that. Let's go with a normal inserter like that, and that one is supposed to grab things. There we go. Actually, I think I messed this up. Nah, that's not good. This one is supposed to only grab... I need a specific one. Filter inserter, this one. This one is going to filter whitelist, is the steel. There we go. Only steel, please. Thank you. How do I... Yeah, I have to build the whole thing again. Right. Now that's working. I just need to place this thingy here again on a belt system like that, so it can accumulate. That means I have to move it all the way through here so that it ends up on this belt system right there. Okay, that means fiddling with it again. So how do I do that? The thing is, I can't take it out of there. That's the issue. And I can't take it further out. Actually, I could try to do that. I need a long exerter, like that one. That one is going to place these things all the way down here, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to fuse this with this line up here, except that I'm going to select whatever is necessary with the filter inserter. There we go. Let's make, oh no, only a few of them. There we go. Don't right click it, because then it bunches up everything. You wanted to build it one at a time, really. So, anyhow, the selection filter thing means I'm going to take only the belts, please, thank you. And then I'm going to place them on a belt system. And the belt system is like that. There we go. And now everything is fiddled with the way it's supposed to. Nice. Nice, 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 nice. Now, question, where is this thing actually coming from here? There, much better, much better. Much better. Right, safe. Oh, we're getting somewhere, we're getting somewhere, we're getting somewhere. Logistics is not going to get researched that far. That one needs copper. This one has no copper because... Yeah, because, why? because there's no copper run to it. That means I need a long inserter for that thing. Something like that. Now the copper's going. The copper's going into here. The copper's also... No, this one doesn't need copper. This one needs copper. This one does not need copper. So why do I have a copper long inserter in here that does not give me anything? I need to move this one to the right a little bit. So it ends up somewhere in here. Then I can do something like that. And move the whole thing somewhere sideways, like that. Okay, now let's take a normal inserter like this thing. And now the whole thing gets facilitated with research stuff again. Perfect. Okay, it's complicated, and as long as it runs, we're not going to touch it anymore. We don't try to make it perfect, we just build it as we see it fit. And if it's not working at one point because it got attacked, then we just build it anew, really. And this one has no fuel because there is no fuel line for it. Yes. I need the furnace. Advanced material processing. There we go. That's something that I need. Oh. Uh-oh. Wait a minute. This is advanced material furnace. Wait a minute. I have that one already. I can make that. I just need to find it. There we go. Steel furnace. I need some steel plates and some stone bricks. Where do I get steel plates now? Steel plates and steel plates over here. Need some art. Some little bit of crafting time. And I can't make it here, I think. I have to make it in a furnace. So let's build, yeah, let's place one little furnace up here. And this one needs some of that. And I want it to make plates into steel. So that this works. And once I get a little bit of it, then I'm going to change every one of those furnaces into yeah, electrical furnaces, and then everything should be fine. I hope. One. How many of them do I need? And some stone bricks. Why do we get stone bricks, and how do I... Yeah, wait a minute. Stone bricks, I think, can be made with stone in the furnace or something like that. There we go. Let's see. So you need some fuel and some stone, and this one gets turned into brick, right? Yes. Right. Let's let them run. This is something that does not need to be automated because I have no stone. Actually, there is a stone field a little bit further to the left. But I should only make good use of it once I'm there. Okay, what about... Pollution doesn't seem to be that damaging at the moment. I need an electric boiler. Where's the boiler? There we go. Pipe and stone furnace. Do I have another boiler though? I'm looking for a boiler. Boiler. No. BOI? No. BOI? No. Electric boiler. Electric generator. Electric engine converts electricity into mechanical motion. Nope. Then we got an exoskeleton, advanced other stuff. The problem is, every time I'm in these, in the research window, the research does not continue. So I'm kind of screwed here. Anyway, this one is just bunching up with all of the resources. So, does anything stop in here? Yeah, let's just get a little bit of coal out of here. I mean... There we go. Let's place the whole thing full of it. Same as that one. Same as that one, actually. Let's do it like so. That one gets filled automatically. Same as that one. And these two may have a little bit of an issue there. So let's place that here and there. Good. So, I don't have enough steel plates for this to work. Now I can at least make one of those furnaces. Right. Right. So, what can I do now? Faster transport. Yeah, it's nice that it's faster, but no. Fast underground belts. It's a waste of resources. I mean, we can just use them for other stuff. The whole thing will just bunch up, and if it bunches up, if it accumulates, then it means that it always has enough resources. So if it gets moved too quickly, then it could mean that it ends up at a position where it's not needed. This is something that I try to prevent. All right. Again, back to the... Where is it? Yeah. What's the next one? Let's go with the engine or maybe automation. Yeah. Let's go for that one. Yeah, double right click. For some reason. Yeah. Oh, wait. Totally forgot something. Much better. Much better. And I may even get rid of this burner inserter. It's nice that I have them, but they are not... Oh! Kind of in the way. I have to switch pages all the time in order to make that work. That's not something that I like to do. So that one is accumulating, that's gonna get passed through. The green stuff is coming through, and that's going strong. That's always empty, that's good. That is also good. And these thingies are bunching up here. Okay, that's... this is where the actual problem lies now. I have to say, if I do this with this buffer chest in between, then I can definitely design a much better layout so that I can focus on one production item that gets produced en masse and then collected again in a chest, and from the chest it goes into the next part of the processing. That's something that I can try to do. It's like a faucet, right? You just connect to it and then everything's working. Interesting layout. That means I could try to get rid of this thing, or does it... as long as it gets resources and can always produce, everything's good. Problem is, this one has no gears for some reason. Why does it have no gears? This gear here, where does it go to? There we go. The gear goes in here, gets produced, and then... Woof. Oh, nope, okay, everything's fine. As long as it gets resources, everything's good. So, this thing is going to move things to the side of it. It's producing things. Great. And... yeah, I think I need another one of those automation assembly thingies. Let's just place this over here. And another one over here. And this again will be greens, and this one will also be greens. And then I'm gonna move stuff up here, stuff like that up here. This one will be moved sideways, and then I'm gonna have a normal etc. like that one. Inserting things. Let's hope that this works. The problem is that it only takes out items that that are stopping at one point. Like, see that? What happens if it's filled? Does it go to the other resource and place it? No. It only takes one kind of item out of here, and this is the issue. What I want is for it to have a mixed output. That would be neat. Maybe what I can try to do is like have a filter inserter that only takes, in this case, what do I need? Transport belts and these inserters, right? So let's take this one away. Let's we still have this issue. Wait a minute. Let's just take all of these things away again. It's always the same one. It does not flip between it. Like, once this unit and then the other unit, then this one unit and then the other unit. This just means it takes it if it's available, and then it takes the other one. But this is not what I want. Okay. Definitely not cool. Okay, so we can't take the raw resources out of here. That means we need to accumulate it in chests, similar to this thing here. And hope that it accumulates it in a way that is always balanced in one way or another. That's the iffy bit. From the chests, we can take it out, but only into a assembly machine. That's the weird bit. Okay, wait a minute. I could try like a buffer zone like that and like that. And then I can try to place another supply chain down like that. And then this thing is gonna go down like so and like so. This one is gonna get taken out of here. That one works like that. That one like that. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a normal inserter or a fast inserter. I don't know. Let's just take normal inserters like those. They're going to take items out of it. And this thing is just... Oh yeah, this one is selecting. That was the reason for it. So... I don't see arms moving about. Why don't I see arms moving about? That's not good. Whatever. Research speed would be really cool. Okay, double clicking works all the time. Not right clicking, but left clicking too. Lab research speed, that's important. It needs this stuff. I only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them working. That one has no arms. That's not good. That one needs gears. There are no gears coming in. Where are the gears going? Gears go in here. Gears come out over here. Right. It takes the gears out too much. That's the thing. It is too fast. It is too fast. Or in another way, I could try to make another gear production thing. Come on. How do you make that work? Looks like you always need a buffer in between. So that there's always enough supply that you can use to power other stuff. Yeah, there are no arms coming out of here. Because there's no arm coming out of here. So the only arm that's getting produced is this one, but this can only be produced if there's gears here. There are no gears, there's only iron. So there's an awful lot of iron coming up here. That's not good. Look at all of this iron accumulating here. That's not good. That is not good. I need more gear when it comes to that. I think I know what I'm gonna do. Let's just take an underground pipe thingy. And we're going to make it so, and like that. And then I'm gonna make some gears, hopefully. Let's produce one over here, and actually the position might not be the best one. Let's place that here, and maybe like, of course we are in the way, as usual. Maybe like this, whatever. So, let's take... Oh no, we need gears in there first. Okay, how do we do this? How do we do this? How do we do this? This one takes the gears out like so. That one in here. And then there's a... Oh, that's not working. Then there is a chest that works as a buffer. But that's not going to work there. But right, wait a minute. If I have all of the gears then, right? And where do the gears go? That's the other question. Because the gears are necessary in the inserter production line here. and they have to accumulate on that line over here. They're just getting taken out too quickly because of this stuff. Or actually, there's not enough produced. That's the thing. I have an awful lot of iron here, but not enough is turned into gear. So that means I'm going to make a gear production line down here, and then I'm going to place it on that line again, so that there's always enough gears going about. Right, and in order to make that work, I need this. Then I'm going to make a long inserter, place that over here, and then a long exert it back out again once it's done. So, and this thing up here is just going to get moved downwards a little bit. Something like that. Right. Come on, which way? No. That way. There we go. There. Good. Now we need some current like that, and more gears and more. Actually, I need to balance it so that there's not too much iron taken away from it. But yeah, I will see if it works or not once I'm done. Long inserter. There we go. This one is gonna long insert stuff from over here, but I only need. Yeah. I only need the iron anyway, so that's gonna do this, and this I'm gonna long insert it back again. Same goes for that. Long inserter over here, long inserter over there. Right, and this one going to produce gears, and this one is going to produce gears, and this one's going to produce gears. Right. Now I have the issue that there is gears accumulating on the wrong line. That's not good. Is there a way to input priority? Oh, okay. Yeah, but that, okay, that's actually not that big of an issue, I think. It's just that they're going to be mixed a little too much. Definitely not what I want. And they're going to accumulate over here. There's not enough going through. Right. This one doesn't make any more gears because there's no more room to place them, because the whole thing is not going to move forward. The whole thing is not going to move forward because everything is full of iron plates, because for some reason they're not going to be taken in. The gears are supposed to be placed on the inner side of the longer belt, so I have to kind of adjust it in a way. Wait a minute, how do I know that? Input priority and output priority. Input priority. Output priority. I have no idea what that does. I have to fiddle with it a little bit. The thing is, I can't make that work now. It's going to work on its own. Like, I just see arrows moving, but I don't know what's happening with inputs and outputs. That would be nice. So I can have input priority and output priority. And now everything is like left and left. Input priority right. Output priority left. No, that's not going to work. Output priority left. No. Okay, what about the filters? Set the filter. What about iron? Okay, now we only output iron to the left of it. Yeah. Output priority left. Stuff goes in and it should go to the left. What about if I go to the right? Nothing. Input. Right side. Nope. Left side. Still don't know where it's going. Okay. So the left and right side don't mean left and right side of the belt itself. It just means what's going to get taken out of it, or where it takes it from. Interesting. So yeah, I have a little issue with the belt system now. That means what I need might be some kind of buffer, and I'm not going to take them out from over here. This one needs gears. Yeah, how am I going to get that there? I need to get the gear system going. I need a separate gear supply when it comes to that. Anyway, how am I going to make that work? It would be nice to make it so that you can at least take all of the items from belts without actually picking up what's on the belt. Maybe you can go with control or something like that? No. Control and click, shift and click doesn't work. Nope. What about alt? No. No. Like right click is always destructive. That's not what we want. How am I going to get rid of all of the iron now? That's the thing. Okay. Let's just try something different. Let's just try to make a chest and an inserter and insert everything that's coming out of here in a chest like that. With a bit of luck it works. So now all of the iron is going to be placed in there. Actually, that's a bit too slow. I need a faster one. There we go. That means all of that is going forward. There's just no room for the long inserter to place things at. That's exactly what I mean with the constant fiddling. There's always some restrictions here that make it a bit iffy. Why can't they just place it on the inner side of the outer line, right? That would make it so much easier. Now everything gets congested up here. And you can't do anything else with it. A better way would... Yeah, I need some... there we go. Okay, it's running. It's running again, it's running again, it's running again. Won't take much longer. There we go. Okay, finally. Okay, so how do we do this? Output left side. Bam. Does it... No, okay, let's get rid of the priority. That's not going to do anything. Like sometimes it goes to the right and sometimes it goes to the left. Yeah, this is what the priority does. It decides where it's going to go. But I want a mixed output, not something like that. Okay, I think I kind of know what I can do here. Like you always have need some kind of buffer lines in there. Like a chest, an input and an output arm. So that things are going to move about. The problem is, maybe you need a filter inserter in order to get the right item out first or something. Maybe some kind of priority even. Yeah, you can decide it with a priority, if you have that one. But then you still only continue to pick out one item only. Iffy. Compared to the Rift Breaker, this is a nightmare. A nightmare in terms of resource management. Alright, so what about the... Oh, yeah, the green stuff's not going to get produced at all because, yeah, there are arms missing. The arms are supposed to come from over here. That one can't make it because... Actually, it can. It just doesn't get enough of these gears right now. And then it actually produces a bit too many gears. That's not good. Yeah, it produces too many gears. Let's take that out of here. Let's take that one. Like it still needs iron, right? It needs a good mix. And in order for this to really work, it needs to get more iron out of here. So it needs to overload it a little bit. No. The thing is, I try to balance it somehow, but I think the actual trick is to not have it balanced that much. Okay, so every time when there is an arm taking stuff from somewhere, right? Maybe what I need to do is put a chest between the arm and that thing, so that there's stuff coming in. Yeah, that should definitely work. And this one has no iron anymore. Okay. Yeah, this was actually where the iron came from. Interesting. What about all the other iron stuff? 1,600. Nice. That's going. That's going strongly. Okay. Nothing. Right. I need to make the whole thing slightly better. Ah, that's... The way it looks right now is perfect, but there are too many gears. And it only worked because there was an awful lot of iron in this chest right here. Because everything else got taken out by that one. And then the gears were taken out over here. In this case, what you need to do is like split up the line a little bit. Yeah, you need to split up the line a little bit. Have two lines and then continue moving them forward. But I think this is still the... yeah, this is definitely the wrong way of doing this. Every line with an object needs to end up in a chest. A specific chest with only this one item in it. And from there, you can take it out and split it into different lines again. So you never run dry on items. That's the best bit you can really do. Like, look at this. There's all of those are waiting on line here, but it would be better for them to just accumulate in a chest like this one. And then they're gonna get placed out here if necessary or whatever. Okay. That is really iffy. Really iffy. Okay, I need some arms though. So let's see. Control right click and right click. There we go. Then let's just take the whole thing out of here. Wait, what? The idea was kind of cool and everything. But it doesn't quite work right now. Alright, so there's iron going up here, coming out as gears. And then there's more iron gonna get taken out of here, which is actually not good. Because it's definitely too much iron getting turned into things. Huh. How am I gonna move the iron around in a way that it keeps it safe? Or should I even think of this as being a problem? I don't know. Let's go with more research speed. There we go. Let's just speed the whole thing up so it's extremely quick. That one's not congested. Yeah, that one needs... Whoa, wait a minute. That one needs electricity right now. Or electrical components. The electrical components are coming from over here. That one needs iron. And there we go. So everything hinges on the iron. The iron, the iron, the iron. What am I going to do with that? Everything seems to hinge on the iron. Okay, so let's take this automation thing out of there. And... yeah, the thing is it's getting placed on the wrong side, which is not cool. That is definitely not cool. Maybe I have to move it a little to the side to the right and then make it build a slightly better. Anyway, so in order to make this work and to kind of go around this arm here somehow, I need to... no. Let's do exactly what I wanted to do. And in this case, we need a chest. And before and after that chest, we're going to place an inserter that inserts things. There we go. Now, there's always stuff in there. And if there's an awful lot of production, it accumulates in here. And then there's enough buffer that can be turned over and stuff like that. Actually, this is the wrong line. This is like a copper thingy doing its thing. That was the wrong one. Wait a minute. So, that one goes up here. This chest will accumulate over here. That thing. Oh no, this wasn't. It's going to produce additional gears again. That's not good. Yeah, the gear thing is actually not good. Oh, that's not good. That's not good. That's not good. That's not good. Because I don't want to accumulate the gears here. I want them to go on a different kind of build. That's not good. Sadly. Right. Then... Anyway, let's build the inserters and exserters in this thing. Nice. Just extremely congested right now. That's not good. Absolutely not cool. Alright, what does this one need? Electric, yeah, electric components need iron. This thing needs iron. Why does it not get iron? The iron is gonna get taken out. Whoop. No. Okay, now it's working. Perfect. It's just crafting a bit too quickly now. Okay, so that means we need more iron supply and everything would be fine. Okay, more iron supply. Where's the iron coming from? Supposed to come from over here. And not from over here though, so... Because of that. Bam. Now it's working again. And my inventory is full, thank you. What am I gonna do with all of the coal? Bam, bam. Wait. Oh no. That's not working. If I go for... No, Alt is just the Alt mode. Shift's not doing anything. And right click is only inputting like half of that. Anyway. Now there's an awful lot of coal in there, an awful lot of coal in there. We got a decent amount of iron. And let's just place the iron in this chest again. So... I want a sorting mechanism. Filter. Filter gears to the left. Let's see if that works. There's no gear coming. I want a different filter system for this. This is not advanced enough. Alrighty. At least there are a decent amount of resources accumulating right now. That's neat. So, this is taking in all of these resources. That one needs gears again, so there are no gears coming out. Why? Where are all the gears going? The gears go in here, and then nothing happens afterwards. There's still a decent amount of iron, because for some reason iron. That means I can produce some of these things again. Let's go for a long inserter and exserter. Like that one and that one. And this one is going to produce gears. Right. Right. Okay, it ends up with a decent mix of gears and metal, which is alright. And this one here needs to be moved a little bit. Wait a minute. It accumulates too much. That means that there needs to be a chest in here and an inserter. There we go. Now the whole thing can move. Right. And the only thing that we need to do every now and then is we need to know where the lines are that need movement, or where the congested lines are, and then we need to basically empty them every now and then. Why is that one working? That's doing that stuff, and let's make more steel then. Okay, yeah, let's take this one and this one and this one and this one, and get an iron furnace in here. There we go, steel furnace. Right, the steel furnace is taking things out of there. Too bad I don't have another one. Let's make one of those. Crafting speed 0.75, 0.5. Okay, so that one is much faster. But we are not about speed because we can just make more. Right. Then what else could we try to do? I need the electric drill again. That's this thing. And it's going to place this stuff in here, that one in there. Where's this furnace? All the way over there. Right. So. Yeah, too bad I can't place that down here already. That would be neat. So let's take this one out, and the wooden chest we keep. Just in case. Then this thing only needs stone bricks, okay. Only problem is I don't quite know where I got a decent amount of stone. You know what, let's just take this out and place this stuff in. Okay, now it works. Somehow the quick movement doesn't seem to work as well. Weird. Whatever. Let's just make... Oh, need more bricks. Still more bricks. Okay, so that's going to produce more copper. Copper's accumulating, and what ends up happening with it? It doesn't go anywhere, really. That's not good. That is not good. This one here has no use for the electrical components because that one is not going anywhere. That one needs gears, so everything again hinges on gears. Let's see what happens here. Okay, there are no gears going through here. All of the gears are taken. And not enough iron is getting produced. Okay, we need to make more iron and place it on the line in order to make all of that work. Right, so let's get rid of this thing and place another one of those furnaces in here. So, where's our other furnace? Right there. Right there. Or was it somewhere over here? Yeah, I think so. Anyway, let's place that here. That one there. And now it needs fuel for some reason. Oh. It's a steel furnace, not an electric furnace. Consumes burnable... Okay. What's the difference between it then? Pollution 2 per minute? Pollution 4 a minute. Crafting speed 2, crafting speed 1. Okay. And I thought that this would somehow be useful. Not good. Not good. That one is not going to move because I need to clear the congestion. And I just need to place like a few more chests around. Yeah, let's place one here. Oh, thank goodness we can walk through chests. That's great. So, let's place all of that in control right now. How do you empty the whole thing immediately? I mean, you can click on here, like control click, shift click. No. Control right click, control. Nope. You can click. Ah. There we go. Much easier. You have to do it in this manner and then everything's fine. Right. So, but this one still needs coal in order to be useful. What about this one? That one doesn't get any. Yeah. There we go. Now it should work. Actually, let's take all of that away. All of that away. And at one point it will go back to being copper again. Let's hope so. And control and click. There we go. Much faster. Right. Why is that one not working? I mean, the research is going. It's going decently fast. 2 and 1 all the time. There's no greens coming in. Or at least not enough. Why not? That one is going to be produced. That one again needs gears. Yeah. There's a certain drop of productivity done there. That's not what we want. Definitely not what we want. Awful lot of belts. Awful lot of belts. 5 of the arms. So, where do all the arms come from? This one needs gears. And this one needs iron for some reason. Why is there no? Yeah, so this one uses up all of the iron. Now we need more gears, but we don't have any more iron. Okay, we need to supercharge our iron supplies a little bit. That means more iron down here. 11, 9. Maybe I would have been better off just building them a little bit closer together so that I don't waste that much space. Actually, yeah, let's build them a little closer together. Come on. Oh, my inventory's full. Oh, come on. So, let's build that over here. Let's build that over here. Then it needs to be placed into a chest like that. And what happened to the other chest? Wait. Ah, yeah, that was the additional one. Right, that chest over here. And from that chest, it's gonna get placed into a furnace. A normal one, please. So, normal furnace like that one, and like that one. Always the top one. Great. Let's take all of these thingies with us. And control. Click. Do I really not have... Ooh, okay. That one needs more fuel. Oh, thank you. So, a little bit of that, and a little bit of here, a little bit of that, and this one needs electricity. Like so. That should do it. Nice. So, let's take this one and move it a little bit. Ah, come on. Sideways. There we go. That one gets moved over here. I can't take all of the items with me. That's the iffy bit. So let's place all of the iron in here, so we are good. And let's take that one, that one, that one, that one. Right, where is the oven? Is over there. The oven is going to be placed up here, something like that. And of course, we need to get it out of there again. Let's keep the same line here, something like that. And of course, we need to move the thing like so and like so. Oh. Great. That one needs blue stuff. We can't make the blue stuff yet. What do we need for it? All of the previous research components. That one needs the engine. Ah! Nice. It's finally working. We just need to supercharge the whole thing when it comes to iron supply. Maybe another thing I could try to do is like move this little to the right and then have another building here that does all of that. But yeah, I definitely need an electric furnace. So, wait a minute. Furnace. This thing. Electric furnace, exactly. Okay. That's an awful lot of research that you need to do. How can you do this within like only 1.5 minutes? You have to do an awful lot by hand, to be honest. And I'm going all about the way of building a processing plant. Alright, so where does it hinge it again? So this one is not producing anything. This is why there's nothing coming out of it and getting placed somewhere else. Same as this one. There's not enough iron plates coming up. And what's happening here? There's gears and sometimes plates coming in, and everything is gonna get split out. But it does not have the chance of moving through it here, so that means we're going to exchange it and place a normal belt in here, so that there's always a little bit of room for the normal iron to pass through. And with a bit of luck, a little bit will end up down there. And there's just one issue. We are still not making enough iron. That means we need to make more. So, we need another drill for this. So, let's build one up here, another one right here, and this thing up here. Then I need the furnace again, like that. Extruder line. Like, this is a bit over-exaggerated, I would say. And to be honest, I don't need the this thing in here. Because it does not... Yeah, this is actually not efficient enough, I would say. Not efficient enough. I can just take this furnace down here. That is the... Come on, get rid of that. That will be placed down here. Right, so that goes directly into the furnace. Same as... inserters in the way. Wait, why is that? There we go. That one goes up here. That one goes up here. Now we just need to fuel it somehow. Right. Now it is fueled. So, time to make some inserters. That one goes down here, down here, down here, down here. And then I'm gonna make the whole line just go downwards like that. Now that's just... Yeah, this one is supplying all of the ammunition needs. And this one is going to supply all of the production needs. There we go. Let's scoot over this one then. Let's stop some of its complicated buildings. So, that one goes, that one goes, that one goes. That one goes upwards. Then another furnace down here. Another thing like that. For the extrusion. And we just need a little bit of current. Like so, and like so. Oh, and there's also maybe a bit of coal needed. There we go. Perfect. What about the power lines though? Wee bit weird, wee bit weird. Wait. If I place this here, I can place another furnace right next to it. Absolutely. The thing is I have to power it all the time. I really need the steel furnace to make that work. Good old steel furnace. How could you do this? Actually, you can use it, do it with a long inserter. So I can have a coal line down here. And the long inserter takes the coal, places it into the furnace. And then just goes down like that. How do I get the coal up there then? How do I get the coal up there? Because I have to split it a little bit, I would say. So that's... Nah, I'm just going to make another coal line up there. I just make a completely separate coal line. Yeah, let's just make another coal line. So like... Oh, wait. What was that? That thing was a little problem. There we go. Everything hinges on that little line down here. Huh. But now, I need more iron. An awful lot more iron. Awful lot more. So, in order to get more iron, we need to get more electric drills. Right. That should do it. Okay, now where do we see congestion? That one is still not doing it because of the immense need of the iron plate. It's not good. We need to make more iron then. So that one is 3 point whatever. Let's place another one right here and 900 whatever. That's not good. How am I gonna make that? No. I don't want to have a mixed source here. That's iffy. So let's place one right here, another one right here, and another one right here. Good. So, then I need more furnaces. Well, actually... Yeah, this... now I know why the steel furnaces are... No, actually... It's not gonna make it any better, because I still need stone. This is where it hinges. Okay. Save game. Now, let's see what happens if I move a little bit further away in order to get myself a stone supply. I really wanted to get more of the research stuff going. Anyway, the stone supply is supposed to be somewhere up here, actually. There we go. I could mine it myself, but this takes ages. Let's just make a mining drill. Yeah. Need to get the power line going first. From over there. Can't reach it, of course. Right, now we got it. So, let's make that work. How do we make it work? Outside, inside? It needs to come towards me with a belt, or sometimes I have to go here and... No, it can just produce its own thing, I would say. So let's see. Let's build one here, one there, one there, and one there. And then it can just make steel. Actually, no, it only needs bricks, to be honest. Let's just craft that. So, turn it into some furnaces. There we go. It's not perfect, but it does definitely work. So, nice. What about the coal? Yeah, what about the coal? Not quite that nice. Not quite that nice. Ooh, okay. Wait a minute. Down here, and down here. Because then I can have the same setup, move it to the side, and it will just lock it in place somewhat. Now I need some more coal. Where do I get the coal? I don't like the dog music because that could mean that I'm gonna get attacked any moment. Yeah, everything's full of that now. Need to place another chest right here. Something like that, and good. Bada boom. Great. What about this one now? Let's place more of it like so. Now we're good. Now let's power the other thing. Actually, I could try to power it the same way I power the generator. I just need to craft more of those. I need more iron. I need more iron plates. Thank you. So this one could go upwards a little bit. That one needs to be destroyed for that. There we go, that works. And that one goes, as I said, upwards. Yeah, that's not working. No. Nah, not gonna get any closer. Anyway, let's at least power everything in here. No, wait. There we go. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Now I can do its thing. Right, and I need more of the belts, and I know exactly where to get them, right? Exactly. There we go. Now I got enough belts. Engines finished. What else? An automobilism. Engine-powered vehicle used for transportation. Then we got railways, large-scale transportation over long distances. What do we get? We got the cargo wagon, the locomotive, and some rails. But what we need in order to get into or out of this planet, we need all of the research stuff there. What's the yellow stuff? We need the yellow research things. What's this? Utility science pack. Huh. Only this one here, the space science one, that is not found. Maybe there's a certain extra task that you need to do in order to get out there. Who knows? Let's see. Concrete. Advanced building material also used for flooring. Oil processing. Yeah. But alrighty. I need this one next. The coal belt is so important. Come on, can't build it there. There we go. And this one gets placed all the way over here. And all the way over here. And right, that one goes over there. And this one goes over here. Nice, nice. But you could do the movement much faster. It would manage that, I think. Yes. Wait a minute. I need to know if it actually goes to the left or to the right, because if it goes to the left, then I need more coal. If it goes to the right, I need less coal. And it has a tendency to go to the left. That means I need to produce more coal. Where's the coal coming from? From only one plant. That's very interesting. So we can just get another mining drill out and produce it towards the right or towards the left. I'm not quite sure. Yeah, towards the right. I mean, this might be the easiest solution. Then let's place something over here, and I need an... now I can just be thrown out of there. We don't even need the buffer in here. That makes no sense. I mean, it's nice that we have a buffer, but there we go. There we go. Actually, I can go like this. I could go like that. I had it a bit too complicated, I would say. Oh. There we go. Nice. Perfect. Now there's enough being produced. Let's get... there we go. That one can go up here. Actually, let's get like half of the coal with this, so we can power things if necessary. Now, what about my iron supply? The iron is getting filled in here and getting turned into gears immediately. And there is not enough accumulating, I would say. Definitely not. Oh, look at that. There's a mix. Ish. Except for this one down here. That one needs these systems. This one needs iron again. So, I need to overload it with iron, I think. I need an awful lot more iron. Oh. Yeah, I need furnaces. Wait a minute. So, fluid handling. Then we need, of course, the oil processing. Oh, come on. What is it? Blue stuff and... ah! If you click on it, it goes to the part of the research tree. If you right-click the whole thing, then it just selects it. That's nice. So that one goes over here, and that one goes down over here. Then we need this one. Place that over here. Everything's good. So, now how am I gonna take that and place it in here then? I mean, look at how much iron is placed in here. And there's only one of it getting turned into furnaces. That means that one of those electric drills is capable of powering multiple furnaces at once. That's something to keep in mind. Interesting. So we don't need it to look like that. We can actually split it up a little bit and power multiple furnaces, as I said. That is pretty cool. Pretty cool. So maybe I need to... yeah, similar. Like, if every step in the production process needs something like this, accumulation in a chest. And from this, you need to move on forward. Every time. Don't connect it like that. Don't make it too complicated. I think this is the trick behind it. Not making it too complex. Okay, where's the coal actually going? It should actually accumulate, but it goes further and further towards the left. Wait a minute. Oh, it's on the other side now. Like, there's a little bit of coal in here, and all of the other coal is coming up here. Does it accumulate though? Look at that. Slowly but surely, another line is accumulating. That's perfect. And then... oh, I have forgotten the inserters. That was stupid. There we go. And then, of course, need some current. What did I say about the whole thing bunching up? Actually, yeah. Now we got a decent amount of stone. Sweet. I can just make another line up here that brings the stone towards me. Actually, that would be a really good idea. I have a decent amount of those belt thingies here anyway, so let's make that work. To make that work, I need... how do I make that work? Some extruders, long extruders that take it from here onto another belt, and that whole thing goes backwards. Yeah, definitely gonna do that. Long extruders. Let's take that one up here. That takes that, places it here, up here, same as this thing and this thing. Let's take that one away. And this thing here is gonna go all the way back. There we go. That was a bit iffy. Let's cut down that tree. We don't need to make it too complex. It's just necessary for buildings and so on. There we go. What about that tree though? Is it in the way or not? Don't think so. Yeah. It was just looking like that. So, now we got some stone. Let's place that in a chest. There we go. Perfect. Sweet, 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 sweet. So once I need it, I can just go there, grab the stone, and then move on. Perfect. I don't need to integrate it into any of the production processes for now. Why is there no steel? There's no steel because there's no iron, and then there's no iron because there's no iron. So the thing is, I just take the whole heap and I move it, and I think this is... yeah, this is the actual way to go. Anyway. This is definitely not fast enough. That one is producing it too quickly. I could really try to power multiple furnaces at once. But how am I gonna make that work? How am I gonna make it... oh, yeah, wait a minute. I can just have... those grabbers move the resources from this furnace towards another, and so on and so forth. So it fills up similar to the laboratories and so on. That's a very good idea indeed. Alright. So let's move this one upwards maybe. So now we can get more iron. Right. Let's try to get a decent amount of this iron stuff processed. So it needs to be in here, then in here, then in here, and then in here or something like that. And then maybe like in here also. Also needs like a decent amount of that. Then we need something like that. Need to power it, of course. So then we need an extrusion thingy. Do we need extruders for everything or just something? Whatever, let's just take that. Oh, of course. Doesn't have any. Where are my arms? There. And so does need iron gear wheels and iron plates. Don't have iron plates, so what's going on? Ah, these are all of them are empty. That's not good. Except for this one. That's going to accumulate. So, inserters. Electrical circuits. Electrical circuits need copper, and copper needs the copper plates. And copper plates is down there. Now it should work. Let's get a few of them again. Right. Oh no, that's stupid, that's stupid, that's stupid. It takes the end product out of it and turns it into steel. That's something that I don't want to do. Okay, so you can't just pass it through there. Oh, that's not good. That's not good. Definitely not good. Okay, so if you can't pass it through, then it doesn't make any sense to have it that close towards another. Right. Then what I need is a separate line to the side that powers it all. That just goes upwards afterwards. This thing can be turned away immediately. Yeah, as I said, a separate line to the side that powers everything. So let's see, stone furnace, stone furnace, stone furnace, like that. And the separate line will be something like this, and this, and this, and this, and this. And let's just make it go in a circle or something like that. And let it accumulate like so. Something like so. Maybe even have a second one here, but no. This is how we get it out of there. Okay. So, that one is going this way. Actually, let's have that one open for now. Maybe keep it like that, and then I'm just going to adjust it on the fly. Right. And out of reach, of course, of course, of course. Right, and let's get rid of this one here. It's somewhat in the way. Right, this one. Really. There we go. Now it just needs more power. Nice. And the pollution should be extreme right now. Look at that. Pollution levels are very high. What's the highest? Electric mining drills for some reason. Stone boilers and so on. Okay. It does look much more polluted at the moment. But they only attack if the pollution like reaches them, I think. But this this camp here is done for. But I have to extend the whole area a little bit. So that's a wee bit weird. Oh, that's cool. 292. This is what I... See that? You know exactly what's in there. 296 whatever units. This one here tells you how many iron that is and so on and so forth. But this one only tells you what's inside of it and not what's used. The recipe should be the thing that's important. Anyway. There is still not enough iron coming down here. Why not? Oh, yeah, this is why. Of course, need to take it out of there. Good. Can I... How do I power both of them? It's always out of range. That's so not cool. So not cool. Right. At least now it's working. Decent. Huh. Interesting, interesting, interesting. Actually, this is the wrong way. I can, like, take this, turn it around like so. And then I can make the belt go, like, somewhere through in between and through the outside or whatever. Okay. But I think I have to just extend that part here a little bit. Alright, what about that one? Nah, that's okay. Let's just build more furnaces. Furnace. Let's just build all of them. So, more furnaces. I'm just gonna cut down everything that's somewhat remotely in the way. There we go. Come on. There we go. We need more iron. We just need to extend whatever we have and hope that nothing is going to attack us. Right. And this thing. So this one is all going up here. Then this one is all going down. Oh, trees in the way. There's constant stuff being in the way. So annoying. Kind of just override it. There we go. Exactly what Right. Now, furnace goes in. The inserter goes in like this. It's actually the slightly wrong setup. I need more wires though. Okay, everything's powered up, and let's just get this going down like so. Yeah, this is definitely too many. Ugh. Okay, why am I? Oh, there's trees in the way. So, and this one is also somewhat in the way. Let's do it like every time. Not cool. Let's get rid of this tree. There we go. Perfect. Actually, now I can like make a little fling in here and make like 2 of those burners in there. Right. Yeah, a little fling. Let's see. In this case, how much do we need? 4 units of space in between. That means, 1... Wait a minute. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this way. Something like that, and like so. And there's another tree in the way, of course. There we go. Right. So, pollution is going to add up, it seems. And I don't have any more furnaces. Why not? Oh, need more stone to make that work. So that one is gonna build that here, build that there. Then I'm gonna just reach through here like so. Good. Oh, and also, I don't have any more coal. How inconvenient is that? Let's take all of that. Oh, can't reach. There we go. Perfect. So, let's place the rest of that in here. Maybe just take half of this with us. Right. What about this one? Doesn't work. I need more stone still. By the way, research all processing. Hey, eco-unfriendly. It's not about being friendly or unfriendly. Why is that one not showing me anything? Ah, now it's working. Okay. Synthetic what? Synthetic polymers materials can be molded into solid stuff there. Yeah. Flammables and other stuff. I actually don't really care about the whole research tree. The only thing that I do is like I just pick the next one, research it and hope that it somehow works. I need to get an overabundance of iron in order to get the whole thing working. That's the thing. That is just the thing. How would I get iron down here, though? I mean, the whole movement of this iron line is definitely not the best one. It's gonna get shifted a bit too much. Okay, at least there's a little bit of an extra there. So, wait a minute. The whole stone production, right? What's this? Yeah, some fuel, some other stuff, of course. We can do fill lubricants, some petrol stuff, some empty barrels. You basically do this. Oh, goodness. It's definitely an awful lot of things. An awful lot. Right, now, how does the whole production thing for the stone work? Like, you place a little bit of stone in there, and then all of a sudden you get a steel furnace out of it. It's just that it needs 10 bricks and 6 steel, so it's... A normal stone furnace is definitely better. It only has like... Yeah, it only has half of the pollution. But we can build 2 of them. The only thing that happens is that the base grows a little too much, right? But in the end, the whole thing is just scale dependent. Why is that one not working? That one doesn't get any iron because it's getting picked up from up here. And this one is also running dry. Okay. So that means I need to make more iron now. Right. Perfect, 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 perfect. So, and I also need to maybe connect the whole thing a bit better. There we go. Nice. Now we're talking. So, furnaces though. I mean, it's nice that I can make those things, but still. Stone furnace. I have an awful lot of those. Nah, whatever, let's just make them. Let's just make them. Is that in the way? Yeah, of course they're in the way. There we go. God. I think I should focus on research. Yeah, I need to improve the researching speed a bit. How I'm gonna do that? Like everything is like moving to the left, to the right, up, down, and so on and so forth. Let's place a few of them down here. What am I going to do with all of the iron now? Don't know. I'm going to keep it though. Overabundance. Perfect. That's exactly the model that I like to say here. You just need to saturate the resources. If you see a problem, make more. This is how we solve issues. Okay, that one is going to get produced. That one needs more copper. Wait, the copper's coming from here. That one's going to be produced a lot. That one needs the gears. The gears are coming from over here, so everything in there is fine. Ish. I think I could even produce a bit more gears right now. See that? What does that one need? Okay, some iron. The quick The quick thing here is maybe a bit too quick. Maybe I need a normal speed one here. So it does not pick away the items from this assembly machine. Let's see, what do we have? An awful lot of gears. This is where they end up. It's basically my gear dump for now. That means, oh, that's a very good idea. Let's take all of those items. And then, what I'm going to do is I am going to... Wait a minute. Put all of the gears in here. Then I'm going to take another inserter and place all of the gears right there. There we go. Nice. Let's just make another one of those chests. Where is this? Chests up here. Right. So this one... Okay, 2, 8, and another 8 steel. Doesn't double it though. How much do you need in order to make that one? 5 iron plates. It's all about using resources the most efficient way, and in this case, having more storage does not help us. Because it has to be filled. Production is necessary. So, anyway, let's take all of this copper away, because we don't need it. And then we can fill it with all of the iron. And... let's keep the whole thing whitelisted, and build, like, some copper chests down here. Maybe build, like, place that all in there. Everything's fine. Good. Now then, the copper's gonna get taken out of here, placed down here. And the coal is used in order to drive all of that, yes. Only problem is that this whole thing is not gonna get driven by anything. Yeah, the production speed. Wait a minute, what's the difference? What's the difference? This one has a production speed of 2. This one has a production speed of 1. So basically 2 furnaces for 1 steel furnaces. Steel furnaces. This is what the trade-off is. So that means we can kind of shrink the whole thing down a little bit. But again, we don't really care about that. We only build what we can and then move on. So, then I need the plastics. Right, oh, look at how it gets congested. That is perfect. Sadly, I can't select how far it places things. That's not helping. It always goes to the long side, never to the short side. Is there a short inserter or something like that? That would be neat. Insert a long-handed one, fast inserter. And the filter inserter. Nah, pump recipe, nope. What does that one do? Pumping speed, da-da-da-da. No, we have no energy issues at the moment. Okay. All of these are getting facilitated. That's perfect. That means I can build a few more of those assembly line thingies in here. So, let's build a few more. Like that. Perfect. Now I need more inserters. Inserters need more stuff. Plates again. Plates. In this case, we're gonna take like half of those and... Wait a minute, where are all the plates going, by the way? There's this plate sink and then there's this plate sink here. Wait a minute. Iron gear wheel and iron plate. So, can I make this stuff now? Yes. Perfect. Oh. Need to get the stuff out of here as well. Nice. Okay, I need to produce more of these things here. It's getting produced fairly quickly though, I have to say. Interesting. So, wait a minute. Let's have a selective picker, like this one, that picks all of the copper stuff. And then, what we're gonna do is we let the copper... Oh, no, what's happening? Alerts, turrets are engaged in fire. Where? What's happening? Something happened. Do I see? Oh! Down there. Thank goodness I have turrets. Okay, they're coming from the bottom area. That means we have to save right now. I don't want to... This is... Thank goodness I have built some turrets here. Thank goodness. Thank goodness I have built turrets. Jesus. Without the turrets I would be screwed. Oh, by the way, without the turrets I would be screwed. Let's make a few more of those. Turrets. Defense stuff. Let's make all of those. And I also need to facilitate all of that ammunition a little bit. Don't want to lose my base here. So they seem to come from the bottom side up here, but they're probably going directly at it, so in a like diagonal fashion. That could mean that there is a camp somewhere down there that I don't know of, or it's the camp down there. Do I see like... I see pollution happening, yes, but I don't know where it's actually coming or going to, really. That's the thing, I have no idea where it's going to. And there's just a vast emptiness. It's only one patch of resources in here, and that is the thing that annoys me a bit. Because for a very, 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 very long distance, there's actually nothing. Okay, let's get rid of this camp so we can be in peace here a little bit. So, that means we're going to save and kill the whole thing. There we go. That means shotties. Wait for it. Okay, I should have definitely researched the speed for that. Definitely. Okay, there are again 2 of those artillery units. The thing that annoys me the most is that I don't deal enough damage. And the hive regenerates so quickly. And why can't I just run while shooting? Come on. This stupid artillery stuff. No, I'm gonna die. Not good. And I'm not dead. Thank goodness. Okay. So, how do I heal? Do I need to wait? Do I need to go back to the base? When does that happen? Okay, it's quick-ish. But those aliens are just going to respawn far too quickly. Far too quickly. Either this, or I'm going to attack them in another way. Like, look at this. It's already healed up almost. Too much health loss, too much health loss. Wait a minute. Bam. Definitely not cool. The thing is, they accumulate like a bit too far sideways. There we go. Okay. Alright, so this will definitely be something for another episode. Then I'm going to extend the base a little bit more. Let's hope that they were actually coming from the top right and not from another location, because otherwise I would be screwed. Anyway, let's end it for now. Continue, as I said, at another time. Like and subscribe, of course. Ta-ta!